it's Brad.
And Loli.
So we're in Lucca today. We're going to go meet with Valerio Marconi, our agent friend here in town. If you're looking for a place, he's a great guy. If you have a place you need to get worked over, have someone come in, do a nice design proposal. He knows all the right people. He knows geometras. He knows architects, and he'll be able to take you through the construction process. So he's a good guy to know here in Lucca. You can go to his website. I'll put his website up here. I'll put his email over there. I like doing that because then I get a job stuffer around. Anyway, Valerio's a really nice guy. And we're going to look at a nice apartment today. It's kind of a rainy day. And there's a very noisy little tuk-tuk coming by right now. Tuk-tuk. It's kind of a rainy day. Yesterday was a beautiful day, but it did get pretty hot. It got up to about 80, which doesn't sound that hot, but it's hot when you're touring big mansions and walking through gardens and trying to make decent videos. So you ready to go see this apartment?
Yeah,
let's go see it. So welcome. We're going to start to walk up. So this apartment is a couple floors up. And that's two, just that easy. Well, it's certainly nice and bright. All right, guys, well, welcome to an apartment that is, hey, it's Pinocchio. My daughter loves Pinocchio, and she's 25. It's kind of weird. But anyway, she loves Pinocchio. Welcome. Let's go find Oli first, and I'll explain what's going on. Hey, babe.
Hello.
Well, this is a nice, bright apartment. It helps to have white ceilings and white walls.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's definitely nice and light and bright. That's for sure. So guys, we're in the Centro Storico, the historic center of Lucca. We're pretty near the gate of Santa Maria, Porta Santa Maria. We are on the second floor. It's kind of a rainy day, but that's okay. It was bright and sunny yesterday. So let me explain what's going on with this apartment. It's in excellent shape. It's move-in ready. There's nothing that you have to do here. I want to go back to the entryway and I'll explain what you have. So my back's to the front door. You basically have a doorway here and a doorway here with this common entryway. Now, Lucca rents all the time. It's not quite Rome or Venice or Florence, but it's right after them. There's very few down moments. So what you could do with this place is you could make this an independent unit, and then through the other doorway you could have another independent unit, and what you would have is basically two studio apartments that are perfectly redone. And Valerio could tell you more about how much things could rent for and how many nights a year and all the rest of it. The agency that he works with has contacts for rental people, rental companies, everything that you would need. What I would do, if you wanted to make this two separate units, I would lose the gigantic piece of furniture You have water already here, which means you have wastewater already here. I would put in a small kitchen area there with just a little stove. I think I would just do electric. People aren't gonna be cooking big meals here. Don't worry, you could pipe gas from this corner, they said over there, but I wouldn't bother. Put in a small, tiny kitchen, and then here, instead of a tiny sofa bed, I would have a Murphy bed put in here. And that would make this a nice studio, I think, if you wanted to go that route. The other option is you keep this as just one big apartment. This is a master bedroom. I would still lose that because I think it's just too massive for this room. It throws the room off to me. But anyway, you don't have to. And I would pretty much keep this room as is, just a nice big master bedroom. And then you come in here, there's a full bath with the tub. It's classic looking. I don't think I'd bother changing it. For under $300,000 in Lucca, it's in great shape. Yeah. Why waste, you know, reuse?
No, it's
Just
nice.
reuse it. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I love the clawfoot tub.
Yeah. I will not change anything in here.
For once.
See?
Wow. Okay. So that's half of the apartment. Now we'll go into the other half. The kitchen in this other half is really cute. Now you could still have this be a rental that would sleep 4 people comfortably, because you'd have the master, and then in this space you would put in a sofa bed or again a Murphy bed. That's storage up there, and there's a ladder right here that hooks to that bar so you can get into your storage. But you could have a nice sofa bed here. And the kitchen's cute as a button. Wait till you see the stove and stuff. Oh, look right now. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Little works of art is what they are.
Really cute.
Yeah. Vented hood, that's nice. So you're not just blowing grease around. Yeah, nice fridge too. I know a friend of mine, Donetta, would love that fridge. It's nice.
Yeah. Oh,
This is a nice, clean apartment. By the way, it already has split systems, so that's heating and air. There's also radiant heat. You can see one right there. Now, there's going to be an open house here on May 11th, 2024. We're right now on May 1? May 1. Happy Labor Day in Italy. Today's a national holiday. Well, let's be honest. What day in Italy isn't a holiday? My God, you've never seen people take so many holidays. And then they'll take the day around the holiday as a bridge holiday to connect it to a weekend. Really cute stuff in here. Now let's go out back on the terrace. Now it's starting to rain, and I want to get my fancy camera out in the rain, but nice if you're a smoker, which you shouldn't be, but if you are, nice to have a place to sit and not stink up the whole apartment. Sit out here and look at the beautiful view on a nice cool morning. Drink your espresso. So very nice.
Yeah.
And here's your bathroom. Look at that.
Yeah.
You don't see many wood sinks. That's cool. I guess it works. I mean, you varnish it good enough. Never thought of it. Nice shower. Toilet, bidet. Everything looks new. Has rain head. Bridget Bardot, I think. And I believe Valeria said the furniture comes with it.
Yes.
So if you have questions on this apartment, you know the drill. Write Valerio Marconi at this email address I'm putting up right here, and he'll answer all your questions. If you're interested in it, I would write him soon. I'm pushing this out. I'm doing the editing on this video very quickly, so I have it on 1 week before they do the open house, because things in Lucca do sell fast. And yes, things in Lucca are expensive compared to Musumuli, Sicily, or some other place in Calabria. You're not going to find $20,000 apartments down there. This will sell right away. Valerio has closed 3 different apartments in the last 2 months just to my subscribers are buying stuff. And you may not buy this, but Valerio is a good guy to know. If you have questions for me, go to bradsworld.it. This apartment would qualify for getting financing done. The cutoff for that is about $300,000 in purchase price. No banks want to write up a loan on a $100,000 purchase and have you making payments on a $50,000 loan at 3% interest for 20 years because nobody makes money on that. But if you are interested in doing financing, go to bradsworld.it/financing or click on one of the 3 financing buttons on my website. It'll take you to a page where you can read all the particulars, fill out the little form. I don't want to see any of your financial information. I just need to know who you are, where you're looking, what you're looking for, your time frame. Fill out that little form, and then I'll get you in touch with the loan company. It's based in Italy, but also has offices and incorporation in the United States, which is nice.
Yes.
And they speak English fluently because some of them are American, some are Italian. And I've had 2 subscribers use them and they're very happy. And I'm very happy to be able to recommend them now. So if you haven't already, buy my book. Why not?
Yes.
It's $10 on my website for a color PDF. It's $20 if you want a hardback produced by Amazon. $10 of that goes to Amazon producing the book. So don't think Brad's getting rich on his $20 book. Anyway, you want to say goodbye, baby?
Ciao.
We'll see you guys in the next video. And ciao for now from Lucca.